You guys, look at all of my beautiful hair, y'all. It is time for another clay, just kidding, for us to do a protein treatment. Y'all stay tuned.
Oh, look, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
Hey there, everyone. It's your girl Sharice, and welcome back to my channel, Find Coils. Now y'all know I wasn't gonna eat that. But as y'all can see, my hair needs some love. Ever since I did that protective style, my hair has just been shedding like crazy. So I am pre-pulling my hair and kind of prepping it with a Bentonite clay mask. I'm adding this argan oil treatment and my main choice growth oil along with my DIY aloe oil, but shh. That sound is just so satisfying to me, but here we are starting with step one. I'm gonna just cut off this little corner here. I should have ripped the conditioning portion off, but little eager beaver. So I'm pouring it into this application bottle that I got from Dollar General for $1. And I didn't realize this was just 1 ounce. I would have gotten 2 packs if I knew it was just 1 ounce. It used to be 2 ounces. So I shampooed the clay out with my ApHOGEE shampoo. I'll show that to you guys later. And I'm sectioning my hair off so that we can go ahead and get started. This stuff is really sticky. It's really runny, just like water. So definitely be careful because it's gonna be a mess. And it stinks really bad. It smells like cow manure. So just keep that in mind, guys. Make sure that you also read the directions. You could pause right here if you would like to. Go ahead and catch up on these directions because people don't like to read nowadays. So make sure we shake really good. And I'm actually going to detangle my section before I go in with that stuff because like I said, it gets really sticky. And you want to make sure you get it all over. So, as I was saying, all over your hair strands, not so much your scalp. This is more so for your hair. What it's going to do, especially for us high porosity girls, it's going to fill in those gaps, all those pores, temporarily with protein, which is what our hair lacks. So it's going to, give us a little protein boost. And you're supposed to kind of just let it drop, but I didn't want my hair to kind of get tangled up on my robe, so I just kind of twisted it up at the end, not tightly, just a little brief twist. I'm just going to continue on throughout the sections and let you guys just watch. Like I said, it gets sticky, and y'all already know I don't waste products, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish what's in this bottle, get that all added to my hair, saturate my hair. I'm gonna redo the front again, because that's where everybody sees, and I feel like that's where my hair is. It has the least amount of elasticity, so definitely getting that added there. And we are going to hit this bad boy with the blow dryer. You could sit under a hooded dryer, but I just wanted to use my handheld to get this over and done with. And once it's all dry and crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery, watch. So I did do step 2, which is about 2 minutes long, but I also wanted to hit it again with this really thick Main Choice mask. I just got this. As a matter of fact, I got this around the same time that I got my ApHOGEE 2-step treatment. I think I showed you guys that video. So right here, I'm just getting my mask applied to my hair. You want to make sure to do this on kind of towel dried hair. And once this is completely added, I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now look at this, y'all. Like, y'all seen that? Look, barely any leave out came. So I'm very pleased about that. Everything is working. So I'm just gonna bag this up, let it sit for 30, and show you in a few. So remember I 2-strand twisted my hair after I put my deep conditioner in. Like, watch, I'm gonna take this out. Look at this. Like, it just coiled back up. I can't wait to do a wash and go. Like, I cannot wait to do my next wash and go. So now that I am done with my wash day, I am just adding in my leave-in, which, as you guys just saw there, it is As I Am's, double butter, cream, and all that. You just saw the name, so, and I'm gonna show it in a second. So we're just gonna get that added, and that is going to be that until my next video, y'all.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. Today has been a long day, y'all. I actually am one of those naturals that really enjoy wash day, because my wash days are not days, it's probably like a wash hour. But today, today, it was all day long, y'all. So as you guys saw, I started off with the Bentonite clay mask, the Bentonite and ACV, and my DIY Aloe clay mask. I put that on first. I let that sit for probably about 45 minutes. And then I rinsed that off with warm water. And to get all of the clay, make sure all the clay was out of my hair, I used my ApHOGEE shampoo. This is the Serious Care and Protection Keratin and Green Tea shampoo for damaged hair. So it is gentle for color treated hair. It's perfect if you have dry hair. This will not dry out your scalp or strip your hair at all, so I love this stuff. Then I went on with the ApHOGEE 2-step treatment. Put that on my hair, hit it with the blow dryer. You guys saw that. Till my hair was nice and crispity, crunchity, peanut, till it was nice and hard. And then after I went ahead and used the two-step protein treatment, I then went in with the ApHOGEE Step 2, which is the Balance Moisturizer. Infuses moisture, improves mobility, and softens and shines. So I went ahead and put that on right afterwards. Now, you guys, you naturals have to read directions, okay? This stuff says to keep it on for 2 minutes. That's probably the time it takes for you to completely get it all throughout your hair. 2 minutes, not 30, 2. So after this was all on my hair, I washed it out, or rinsed it out. And then because I needed to get an extra boost of moisture, you guys already saw, and I went in with the main choices: Heavenly Halo, the Unique Herbal Intense Hydration Blend, the Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Mask, and it is infused with biotin, vitamins D and E. And I thought that I used a lot, but as you can see, I didn't. It looks heavy in the jar, and when you turn it upside down, you expect it to move, and when you see that it doesn't move, you think that it's heavy. It's not. It's a very creamy, it's a thick cream, but it's a very creamy mask. This claims to deeply penetrate, to intensely hydrate, noticeably restores hydration levels in dry, thirsty hair. Thank you. Superior hydration formula calms frizz and improves elasticity, leaves hair feeling soft, supple, and tangle-free, and helps to minimize shedding and breakage. I showed you guys in the very beginning all my shedded hair. That's how I knew that my hair needed some TLC and a protein treatment, because I was getting a lot of shedded hair. Like, the difference of shedded hair from before I did the protein treatment and that mask to afterwards is crazy. Like, but wash day was all day long, so I am about to let my hair just air dry and call it a day. I will see you guys in my very next video, which will be airing on Saturday. I will be doing a wash and go killer combo, so you guys stay tuned for that. And it is inspired by one of my favorite influencers, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If there's anything that you guys want to see, if you guys just want to say, hey girl, you definitely can in the comments down below. But like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see y'all on Saturday. Stay tuned for this clip though.